guys, Dave from Odinson Overland here. Today we're in the beautiful Lockyer National Park just outside of Gatton, Queensland. Now today I'm doing a quick comparison / review of 3 different action cameras. We've got the GoPro Black 7, we've got the Kogan HD 4K camera, and we've also got the traditional King's 1080p camera. Okay, now I've mounted them on top of the bull bar using some zip ties to keep them as stable as possible. Now, you'll be able to tell which cameras have stability software in them and which one doesn't quite quickly. The King's camera is shooting in 1080p, 60 frames a second. The GoPro Black 7 is shooting in 4K at 60 frames a second, and the Kogan is shooting in 4K at 30 frames a second. So we should hopefully be able to see some differences in the footage captured. So without further ado, let's hit the corrugated tracks. Well, now we've tested them off-road, what about on-road? So, from that little comparison, we can clearly see that the GoPro is certainly the winner, and who's surprised. The Kogan did not do as well as I thought it would, but in comparison to the King's, it certainly operated at least. The King's stopped working as soon as we took off. So, yeah, that's just one of the things with the King's. The software in them is not fantastic. Obviously with the GoPro, it's got the stabilization software there, so the image is really smooth. The Kogan doesn't have that, so it's a bit jumpy. But the Kogan didn't jump around in terms of footage like the King's did. With regards to color, the GoPro has the best picture out of all of them, obviously. And it's the smoothest, shooting at 60 frames a second. The Kogan only at 30 frames a second was a little bit here and there, but look, it still does the job. If you've only got $50, get a Kogan. If you've got a spare few $100s, then absolutely get the GoPro. I certainly will be investing in one in the near future. With regards to the Kings, I think that's going to go in the bin, to be honest. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys found this as an informative comparison. Well, I suppose no one is surprised. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and remember, live to explore.